welcome back to our channel, Little Hands by Vaishvik and Srinithi. Today, I'm going to make the Indian flag. And I'm going to make some decorations with Indian flag colors. Let's get started! I am using this piece of cardboard, a stick. I am going to use the three colors of saffron, white and green. First, I'm going to use the glue for every single edge, so then it will come out perfect. I'm going to do this decoration. Now that I'm done with this scrubbing, I am going to add the saffron color. Same like this, we have to repeat the colors. Make sure they don't go into the other bases because it'll be kind of ruined. I'm going to use white for the next part. I'm adding this green piece and repeat this decoration part. Now the saffron piece is ready. Now I'm gonna do white. Same like this, we have to repeat these colors. Now I'm adding the white. Now I'm done with white. Now I'm doing green. Now I'm adding green. Now mine is done. Now I'm done with green. With this blue marker, I'm going to draw the Ashoka Chakra. We have to draw 24 lines on the Ashoka Chakra. Here it is, all finished. Now I'm going to attach this stick onto my flag. Our flag is ready. Now let's decorate our wall. We finished our decoration. India is celebrating the 72nd Republic Day. This day is very special to all Indians. India got its own constitution on 26th January
1950.